Hi, today we will learn about the phrasal verb go down something. It means to move down something like stairs or a hill. For example, go down the stairs carefully. Remember, you always say go down followed by the object. For example, go down the street, not go the street down. You can also use it in a different way. For example, this event will go down in history. That means it will be remembered. Go down something is a transitive phrasal verb. That means it needs an object. You cannot say just go down when you want to be specific. You must say go down the hill or go down the road. The opposite is go up something, like go up the stairs. Try using go down something in your next conversation. For example, go down the street and then turn left. Or the concert will go down as one of the best. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. See you next time.